Stick with me for the next 10 minutes and I'll show you how this ebook can change everything. Ready to take control? Let's dive in. The problem, why you need this. Most people are trapped, working long hours for someone else's dream, barely scraping by, with no time or freedom to enjoy life. The old way of earning a living is broken. Inflation's up, wages are stagnant, and the average job won't get you to $1 million empire. But there's a new way, a digital way. The internet has created millionaires faster than any industry in history. E-commerce, affiliate marketing, digital products, and more. These are the tools of the new rich. But where do you start? That's where Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 comes in. This isn't just an ebook. It's a step-by-step roadmap to building a 7-figure income online, even if you're starting from zero. Don't wait to change your life. The Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 ebook is your ticket to financial freedom. Click the link in the description to get started today. What you'll learn. Core value proposition. So, what's inside Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0? This 200-page guide, written by top online entrepreneurs, breaks down everything you need to build a wealth empire. Here's a sneak peek. Finding your niche. Discover high-profit markets with low competition, using proven strategies to identify what sells. Building income streams. Learn how to create multiple revenue sources, from affiliate marketing to e-commerce stores, without needing a tech degree. Scaling to millions. Master the art of automation and outsourcing to turn your side hustle into a 7-figure business. Mindset for success. Rewire your brain for wealth with techniques used by top CEOs to stay focused and fearless. Avoiding pitfalls. Sidestep costly mistakes with our insider tips, saving you time and money. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned hustler, this ebook gives you actionable steps, not just theory. No fluff, no filler, just real strategies that work in 2025's digital economy. Your empire starts here. Why wait another year to chase your dreams? The Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 is available now. Click the link in the description to grab your copy and start building your empire today. Success stories. Building trust. Don't just take my word for it. Meet Sarah, a single mom who used Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 to launch an online store, now earning $20,000 a month. Or Jake, a college dropout who built a 7-figure affiliate marketing business in under 2 years. These aren't unicorns. They're regular people who followed the blueprint. The strategies in this ebook have helped thousands turn their passions into profits. They started where you are, unsure, maybe skeptical, but ready for more. The difference? They took action. You could be the next success story. Don't let doubt hold you back. Get Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 now. Click the link in the description and take the first step. Why now? Urgency and relevance. The world is changing faster than ever. AI, automation, and digital markets are creating opportunities that didn't exist 5 years ago. But here's the truth. The longer you wait, the harder it is to catch up. The digital economy rewards those who act now. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 is updated for 2025 with the latest trends, AI-driven marketing, TikTok shops, NFT opportunities, and more. This isn't your dad's business guide. It's built for today's economy, with strategies you can start implementing tonight. But this isn't just about money. It's about freedom, time to travel, to be with your family, to live without a boss breathing down your neck. Imagine waking up to notifications of sales while you sleep. That's what this blueprint delivers. Time is your most valuable asset. Don't waste another day. Click the link in the description to get Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 and start your journey to a 7-figure income now. Closing and final push. Picture this. A life where you call the shots. No more alarm clocks, no more office politics, just you, building a legacy for yourself and those you love. Digital wealth. Blueprint 2.0 isn't just an ebook. It's your ticket to that life. It's the knowledge, the tools, the confidence to turn your dreams into reality. Narrator. For less than the cost of a night out, you're getting a proven system to build a 7-figure empire. Thousands have done it. You can too. But you have to act. The link is in the description. Don't wait another second to change your life. Your wealth empire starts now. Click the link in the description. Grab Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 today. Click the link below and let's build your future together. The only question is, are you ready to make it happen? Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0. Link in description.